Good morning, everyone. The maths chapter division is started now. What is the chapter name? It's division. Division means repeated subtraction. It means repeated subtraction. All of you now take out your course book, page number 58, and go on to 59. And it discontinues to 59. What is the division? Repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction. Multiplication means repeated addition. Like the division means repeated subtraction. I'm having 20 chocolates. I'm having 20 chocolates. And I have to share with my 5 friends. And I want to share with my 5 friends. So how many chocolates each one get? Each person will get how many chocolates we have to find out. Repeated subtraction. See here. First 20 chocolates are there. We are 5 friends. So 20 minus 5. 20 minus 5. It is 15. Now 15 chocolates are left. And again 5 members are there. We are 5 friends. Now we are sharing again 5 chocolates. So 15 minus 5. That is 10. So now 10 chocolates left. Again we share each chocolate. So 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5. How many chocolates will be left? Here see, 5 chocolates will be left. So 5 chocolates left now. So we have to share each chocolate. So 5 minus 5 is 0. How many times we share? 4 times. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times? 4 times we share. How many chocolates we get each? Each one will get 4 chocolates. Each one will get 4 chocolates. See here, 20 chocolates are there. There are 5 friends. We have to share each chocolate first time. So we got all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, next one. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many chocolates that each person will got? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many chocolates they got? Each person got 4 chocolates. But it is a lengthy process. It is a lengthy process. But we can do it as a simple process by division. We can do it as a simple process in division. See here now. 20 divided by 5. It is the symbol of division. This is the symbol of division. It is a symbol of division. See here. 5 is a divisor. 20 is a dividend. This is a divisor and this is a divisor. This is a dividend. This is a divisor. And here it is the quotient. This is the place of quotient. In 5 table, 20 comes at 4 times. In 5 table, 20 comes at 4 times. So 5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20. It is a repeated subtraction, right? So we have to do subtraction. 20 minus 20 is 0. 20 minus 20 is 0. This is the place of divisor. This is the place of dividend. This is a quotient. And this is the remainder. See another example, all of you. I'm having 30 flowers. I'm having 30 flowers. Each, how many are? See here. We are 3 friends. We are 3 friends. How many times we have to share the flowers? There are 30 flowers. We are 3 friends. Each person will get how many flowers? So we have to do division here. 3 divided 30. See here. 3 table. In 3 table, 30 comes at 10 times. In 3 table, 30 comes at 10 times. 3 tens are 30. 3 tens are 30. 3 tens are 30. See that one. So each person will get how many flowers? 10 flowers.
Now all of you take out your maths course book, page number 58. Maths course book, page number 58. See, this is the chapter of division. We know that division is the process of sharing. Division is the process of sharing. Division అంటే ఏంటమ్మా? Process of sharing. It involves dividing a thing or a number into groups or parts. ఇది దేంట్లో ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవుతుందంట? డివిజన్ అనేది డివైడింగ్ ఎ థింగ్, ఏదైనా ఒక వస్తువుని విడదీయడంలో కానీ ఎన్ని నంబర్ ఇంటూ గ్రూప్స్ ఆర్ పార్ట్స్, గ్రూప్స్గా కానీ పార్ట్స్గా కానీ విడదీయడానికి డివిజన్ అనేది యూజ్ అవుతుందంట. డివిజన్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ రిపీటెడ్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్. Multiplication means repeated addition, division means repeated subtraction. Let us recall the division process. Let us recall the division process. See here, Vishal has a sweet box with 36 sweets. How many sweets are there? 36 sweets are there. One sweet box is there here. See, there are 36 sweets. He wants to share the sweets among 9 of his friends. విశాల్ వాళ్ళ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో ఈ 36 స్వీట్స్ని షేర్ చేసుకోవడానికి డిసైడ్ అయ్యారంట. తనకి ఎంతమంది ఫ్రెండ్స్? 9. ఎంతమంది ఫ్రెండ్స్ అమ్మా? 9. హౌ మెనీ స్వీట్స్ విల్ ఈచ్ పర్సన్ గెట్ ఇఫ్ విశాల్ డివైడ్స్ ద స్వీట్స్ ఈక్వల్లీ? ఒకవేళ విశాల్ ఆ స్వీట్స్ అన్ని ఈక్వల్గా డివైడ్ చేస్తే ఈచ్ పర్సన్కి ఎన్ని స్వీట్స్ వస్తాయి అనేది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. To share the sweets equally among 9 persons, arrange all 36 sweets in 9 columns. అలాగా 9 persons షేర్ చేసుకోవాలి అంటే 36 స్వీట్స్ని 9 కాలమ్స్ కింద డివైడ్ చేయాలంట. సో ఈచ్ పర్సన్ విల్ గెట్ 4 స్వీట్స్. ఈచ్ పర్సన్ విల్ గెట్ హౌ మెనీ స్వీట్స్? 4 స్వీట్స్. 36 స్వీట్స్ని 9 మెంబర్స్ షేర్ చేసుకోవాలి. షేర్ చేసుకుంటే ఈచ్ పర్సన్కి 4 స్వీట్స్ వస్తాయి. వెన్ షో యాజ్ అ డివిజన్ ఇట్ కెన్ బి రిప్రజెంటెడ్ యాజ్. ఇలా చెప్పే కన్నా డివిజన్ we can see in the division process. See here, what is this? 9 is a divisor. This side number is a divisor, this side number is a quotient, this side number is a dividend, and this is the remainder. Divisor, dividend, quotient, remainder. Divisor, dividend, quotient, remainder. Multiplication combines equal groups into one. మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఏం చేస్తుందంట? ఈక్వల్ గ్రూప్స్గా ఉన్న వాటిని ఒకటి కింద చేస్తుంది. డివిజన్ సపరేట్స్ వన్ గ్రూప్ ఇంటూ ఫ్యూ ఈక్వల్ గ్రూప్స్. డివిజన్ ఏం చేస్తుంది? ఒక గ్రూప్గా ఉన్న వాటిని ఫ్యూ ఈక్వల్ గ్రూప్స్ కింద డివైడ్ చేస్తుందంట. ఫ్యూ ఈక్వల్ గ్రూప్స్ కింద డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది. దిస్ కెన్ బి ఎక్స్ప్రెస్డ్ యాజ్ రిపీటెడ్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ ఆల్సో. Shall we see in the repeated subtraction? See here, distribute one sweet each to all of Vishal's 9 friends first. Now see here, 36. There are 36 sweets. First, each one will get one sweet here. So, 9 sweets will be minused here. So, how many sweets are left here? 27. How many sweets are left here? 27. So next, distribute one more sweet to each of them. So ఇప్పుడు రిమైనింగ్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 27 స్వీట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో 27లో 9 మెంబర్స్ కదా, సో ఈచ్ వన్ విల్ గెట్ అనదర్ స్వీట్. సో దే హ్యావ్ నౌ 18 స్వీట్స్. హౌ మెనీ? 18 స్వీట్స్. Again distribute one more sweet to each from the remaining sweets. Continue this till there are no sweets to distribute. సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ 36 స్వీట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. వీళ్ళు 9 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు. సో ఈచ్ వన్ విల్ గెట్ 1 స్వీట్. సో 36 స్వీట్స్ నుంచి 9 స్వీట్స్ మైనస్ చేస్తే 27 స్వీట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో 27 స్వీట్స్ని మళ్ళీ ఈచ్ వన్ తీసుకున్నారంట. సో 9 స్వీట్స్ తీసుకున్నారు. ఇంకా రిమైనింగ్ అని ఉన్నాయి 18 స్వీట్స్ ఉన్నాయంట. అగైన్ 18 స్వీట్స్లోంచి అగైన్ 1 తీసుకున్నారు. సో 9 స్వీట్స్ ఆర్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటెడ్. సో రిమైనింగ్ హౌ మెనీ ఆర్ దేర్? 9. సో అగైన్ 9 స్వీట్స్ని వీళ్ళు 9 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు. సో ఈచ్ వన్ విల్ గెట్ 1 స్వీట్. సో 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. But this is a lengthy process. చూడండి ఎంత lengthy process. Isn't it? It is easy to perform a division to get the result quickly. This is a lengthy process. It is easy to perform a division to get the result quickly. ఇలా లెంతీ ప్రాసెస్ అనేది చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తే మనకి టైం అనేది ఎక్కువ టైం పడుతుంది. అదే ఈజీగా పర్ఫామ్ చేయాలంటే వీ కెన్ యూస్ అ డివిజన్ మెథడ్. Now all of you turn the page, see the page, next page number 59. Solve the following divisions. See the first sum, all of you. 9 divided by 54. 9ని 54తో డివిజన్ చేయాలి. We know that 54 is at 6 times. 9 టేబుల్లో 54 ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ వస్తుందమ్మా? 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are 54. So 54. This is the repeated subtraction. So we have to do minus here. In multiplication, we have to add the number. Why? Because it is a repeated addition. But in division, we have to do minus or a subtraction here. See, 9 6 are 54. So 54 minus 54 is 0. See the next sum. 6 divided by 48. 48 divided by 6. 48 divided by 6. So we have to divide 48 with 6. 6 8s are 48. 48 will comes at 8 times. 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48. So 48 minus 48 is 0. 48 minus 48 is 0. See the next sum. 42 divided by 3. 42 divided by 3. See here, we have to do division with a 3. 4 is a bigger one. 4 is a big number. 4 is a big number than a 3. So 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 is the small number now. 3 ones are 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. We have to carry out the next number. We have to carry out the number down. See here it is 12 now. So in 3 table 12 comes at 4 times. In 3 table 12 comes at 4 times. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. So 12 minus 12 is 0. 12 minus 12 is 0. See the again next sum. 60 with 5. We have to do division. 5 is in the place of divisor. 60 is in the place of dividend. 5 is in the place of divisor. 60 is in the place of dividend. See the first one. 6 number is bigger. 6 is the biggest. 6 is big than 5. So 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. So 6 minus 5 is 1. 0 carry out to 1's place. So it becomes 10 here. So 5 ones are 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. 0 carry out to down. So it becomes 10 here. So in 5 table 10 comes at 2 times. In 5 table 10 comes at 2 times. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. So 10 minus 10 is 0. 10 minus 10 is 0. See the next sum. It is a division with a 9. 9 is a divisor, 63 is a dividend. 9 is a divisor, 63 is a dividend. 63 comes at 7 times. In 9 table, 63 comes at 7 times. 9 sevens are 63. 9 sevens are 63. So 63 minus 63 is 0. 63 minus 63 is 0. Now all of you take out your maths workbook page number 36. Maths workbook page number 36. Solve the following divisions. One is done for you. One is done for you. See here. 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2. So, see here. 2 is a divisor. 18 is a dividend. 2 is a divisor. 18 is a dividend. And 9 is the quotient here. 9 is a quotient. See. In 2 table, 18 comes at 9 times. So 2 nines are 18. 2 nines are 18. So 18 minus 18 is 0. See the next sum. 32 divided by 4. 32 divided by 4. So here 4 is a divisor. 32 is a dividend. 32 is a dividend. At 4 table, 32 comes at 8. So 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. 32 comes at, in 4 table, 32 comes at 8 times. 4 8s are 32. Ma first of all listen. మీరు డివిజన్స్ చేయాలన్నా మల్టిప్లికేషన్స్ చేయాలన్నా మీకు టేబుల్స్ మస్ట్ అండ్ షుడ్గా వచ్చి ఉండాలి. మస్ట్ అండ్ షుడ్గా టేబుల్స్ రావాలి. 32 comes at 8 times. In 4 table, 32 comes at 8 times. 4 8s are 32. 32 minus 32 is 0. See the next sum. 42 divided by 6. 42 divided by 6. 42 is a dividend. 6 is a divisor. In 6 table, 42 comes at, you have to read the 6 table. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42. How many times? 7 times. So 6 7s are 42. So 6 7s are 42. 42 minus 42 is 0. In this divisions, we have to do subtractions only. Division means repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction. Division and indamma repeated subtraction. 27 divided by 3. 3 is a divisor. 27 is a dividend. See here. In 3 table, 27 comes at 9 times. 3 9s are 27. So 27 minus 27 is 0. In 3 table, 27 comes at 9 times. 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. Next sum. 45 divided by 5. 45 divided by 5. 5 is a divisor. 45 is a dividend. 5 is a divisor. 45 is a dividend. So we have to do division. 5 divided by 45. So 45 comes at 9 times. 45 comes at 9 times. So 5 9s are 45. So 45 minus 45 is 0. 45 minus 45 is 0. See the next sum. 6 divided by 12. Sorry, 2. 6 divided by 2. We have to do division with 2. 2 is a divisor. 16 is the dividend. 2 is a divisor. 16 is a dividend. So 2 8s are, how many times? 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. So 16 minus 16 is 0. 16 minus 16 is 0. Okay, students. From this sum to this sum is a home task, and And activity book page number 38. Activity book page number 38. From this sum to this sum as the home task. We can continue in the next class.